Yo, 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 welcome back to Yu-Gi-Oh! Yeah! And today, of course, we got our new Magnificent Mavens that came out. And they come with 70 card sleeves per box. So we're going to have not only box opening, but it's going to show all these different sleeves that we're going to get, which is going to be kind of cool that we get in the boxes whenever we open our displays. We not only have one display, but we have two displays. They're too big to even show on the camera, so we'll take them away for now. But that's not all we got today, because we are going to be doing our drawing for this free pack of Darkwing Blasts as well. So hope you get excited for that. So we will actually get the drawing out of the way first. I got all the names in here from the comments in the comment section of my video. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Thanks for enjoying my videos. So this is my big thanks to everybody that came to watch the channel and everybody who enjoys so far. And we're going to do our drawing for all the people that subscribed and commented. I get all the names here. So we're going to take a drawing out. This is going to be our name. Who is it? Who's it going to be? Is going to win this free pack of Darkwing Blast. Sing Kun Chu. You are our lucky winner of this free pack of Darkwing Blast. So all I need you to do is comment again on this video if you see it, or I'll try to reach out to you as well. And just give me your shipping information, and I'll send that out to you. Hopefully you're within the United States, because that's going to be preferable, but we'll see what we can do. Alright. That is going to be our winner of the new Darkwing Blast that came out not too long ago. So now we're going to get into our box opening. And the first thing we got to do to open up these big old boxes, what we going to need to open these big old boxes? We're going to need a big old knife. Alright, let's get it open. Wow. I might have to do a jump cut. Maybe, maybe not. But so far I'm on a roll so far in this video, so we'll keep going. Throw our trash off to the side. These boxes are actually quite bigger than I thought. Well, they're not big. I mean, of course, they're kind of heavy because the packs in them, and they're kind of dense. So, actually, I will get these all ready out to go. I'm actually gonna kind of pre-open a lot of them, and I'll get back to you guys here in 1 second. All right, now that we got our cases open, we'll start with the first box here. And we'll see what we got. And we'll get, oh wow, we get 4 packs of Magnificent Mavens in here. And we get cool little display boxes too for our background in the future. And let's see what card sleeves. This is awesome. We get kind of cool little card sleeves too with these. This is pretty awesome about this set. I'll have card sleeves for days now. I could build so many decks and have all the sleeves I need. Here's our first set. It looks kind of cool. Look at that. I like the design. Shiny. Alright. Let's get our next one and see what kind of sleeves we got in this next pile of cards or packages. And oh wow, look at that. Awesome. And this is going to be our next box. Oops, I dropped the pack almost. Alright. The next pack's right here. Yeah, look at these. These are freaking awesome, dude. I love these. I'll throw my trash on the floor like a pig. Give me a thumbs up if you like just throwing your packs on the floor or your trash after you open them. Here we go. Oh, we got a duplicate now. More packs. Our next packs. I think I went over my head this time. Oh, something different. Look, that's so cute. More packs. Wow. Oh, these look fire. I like these. Put those over there. Let's get our next pack. I'm kind of going a little bit fast for you guys here, considering the fact that it's 2 displays. 2 whole displays. Maybe I should have only done 1. But you know that ruins the fun. We're going to get all our staples in here, like Lightning Storm. I think Yada's in here. Millennium Eyes Restrict. There's a lot of cool stuff in this set. Apparently, I went to my locals and a lot of people were buying them up already. One guy was like almost telling me that they might have been out of them, but no, they had some more, luckily. Ooh, so that's kind of cool. Wow, all these sleeves are piling up. It's ridiculous. Oh yeah, Yu-Gi-Oh, yeah. Is there one of these? I almost might give away a pack of sleeves at some point, possibly. Look at all these sleeves I got. I got more sleeves than I can fit anywhere. More sleeves than I need. I was actually lacking sleeves. Now I got too many. See if we get anything new. Put our sleeves here. Oh, we got another one of these sets here. The sleeves. They look pretty cool. These are my favorite so far. So we're going to get all our sleeves. Put them off to the side for now. Look at this pile of packs. We got the sauce up in here, don't we? Oh yeah! Yu-Gi-Oh, yeah! Get them all mixed up. Put them off to the side. Wow, this is more packs than I figured I would end up contending with today. But go hard or go home, that's all I gotta say. We don't skimp out here at Yu-Gi-Oh! Yeah, we go full throttle. Let's get our first pack open and see what we get. Oh yeah, first pack. Yu-Gi-Oh! Yeah. Oh yeah, okay, let's go. Oh shoot, look at this. Evenly matched, already pulled. I still got my secret rare too. Hopefully this doesn't devalue it too much. Hopefully the cards aren't damaged. Okay, next card. Surgical Striker, HAMP. Next card. Therion Duke Yule. And next card, Secret Village of the Spellcasters. Oh, here he goes, a Link Monster, Nightmare Cerebus. I like how they're all ultra rares too, so there's no shortage of that. I think I'm going to run out of card storage space at some point. Next pack. The Link Monster. Bow of the Goddess. Witchcrafter Confusion Confession. Light and Personating Mirror. That looks pretty cool. Negate all light monster effect activated on the field or in the graveyard. Ooh, interesting. Witchcrafter Creation again. And Cat Shark. Wow. It's like Catfish, but Cat Shark. That's an interesting name. I like that. Alright, let's go into our next pack. These packs are incredibly easy to open. I've never opened packs this easily before. They're pretty loose. Oh yes, a card I was wanting. This card is so cool. I love this card. It's like a throwback. Millennium Eyes Restrict. You know, I just love Thousand Eyes Restrict, and I love Relinquished. Those cards were pretty cool to me back in the day when I was a kid. Witchcrafter, Vice Madame. It's hard to read because I get glare on my camera sometimes. And Buru, Insignia, or Inster, is that how you say it? A Golem token. Ooh, that's a cool token. My Yukashi return. I would like to know why that's happening. Excuse me, guys. Why am I so coffee today? Hopefully not all my cards are like that, but we'll move on. At least not the staples. Lightning Storm, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Gravekeeper's Trap. DD's Savant Keeper. Dragon Maid. Sky Striker. Oh, that's nice. Man. I'm so excited, I just keep coughing. Wow, we have so many cards to open right now. This is insanity. So many packs to open. Don't know why I said cards. I guess I am. Well, I wouldn't be opening the cards unless you peel them in half. Evenly matched again. Blast held of by Destiny. That's like a obelisk card. And there's some cards you saw. Scapegoat, ultra rare. That's awesome. I like that. Another token. Alright, we're going to pretty much skip over everything that we've already seen. And just keep pulling cards. Oh yeah, Yu-Gi-Oh! Yeah. Sword Soul stuff. Oh, awesome. That's what I'm talking about. Sky Striker token. Soul Sweeper. Sky Striker Machina. Shark Cannon. Another Sword Soul card. This is the same one that we just pulled there. Add it to our pile. Luckily, everything's ultra rare, so we don't have to really organize much. I can give that a, oh yeah, Yu-Gi-Oh! Yeah. Totally awesome. I'm happy I sold my Totally Awesome. I had one in Secret Rare. I think I sold them for like 40 bucks. And now I get them back again. Now if I want to do Sprite, you know, this will be awesome. Aileron? Wow, I have this in a common. Really? Scapegoat? Exchange of the Spirit. This is a throwback card right here. This is awesome. Going to our next pack. Trap Tricks. Witchcrafter again. We've seen this guy. We've already seen him. Witchcrafter Creation. It's a good way to see kind of the consistency of the cards you'll end up pulling from this set. Oh, Change of Heart. This is awesome. I have a Metal Raiders version of this, but it's always cool to have another one. I love Change of Heart. One of my favorite old cards. I'm glad I get to use it again. Shark again. Mizuki. Harpy's Feather Duster. Now this is going to get played a lot now that everybody's going to be able to get one of these so easily. I paid like almost like, I think like 15 bucks for mine. Exchange of Despair and Hope. Another Prayer Plant. Sky Striker. Next pack. Oh, do. Should have turned on my AC. It's getting kind of hot again outside and it's fall. Blue Eyes Abyss Dragon. Ooh, that's a freaking cool card. There you go, you Blue Eyes players. There you go. Sky Striker Ace token. Another cool token. Another token. Hey, there's no shortage of tokens. If you need tokens, come get this set. You'll get plenty of them. Fun fact, I like to collect tokens. I like tokens. I keep them. Everybody else throws them away, but I just like them. I think they're just kind of cool artwork to have. Sword Soul of Mo Yi. Ancient Sentinel. That guy again. Another Sky Striker. And that card again. Next pack. Man, you know, the lightning storms are kind of short print, it seems like. I only pulled that one lightning storm so far. I haven't pulled another one so far. Let's see if we get more of them, but we do got a lot of packs left. Galaxy Eyes Afterglow Dragon. That is some pretty cool artwork right there. I like that. Obelisk card again. Sword Soul Strife. Graceful Mayakashi. And Sky Striker Link Monster again. There you go. There's going to be a lot of useful cards in here. My ultra rare book is going to get pretty much full to the brim. I'm going to need to get like one of those mega binders or something. Pendulum Call. Keep getting him in ultra. It's just so funny because he's like a common card. I don't know why they had to do a rarity upgrade for that. Chaos Center. I guess people that play Predaplant probably would appreciate it. Next pack. Lightning Storm again. I was just talking about this. Now I got another Lightning Storm. Now we kind of know the pull rates. Gotta buy quite a few packs to get enough Lightning Storm Dragon Maid stuff here. Isn't this like new? The Dragon Maids? It's like Dragon Monsters. Wow. Fusion Summon 1 Dragon Monster from your extra deck. No, I think Dragon Maids was on Master Duel. Unless it came from Master Duel to the TCG recently. I can't remember. Oh, yes. Yatagaratsu. Look at this. This is awesome. This is a cool throwback. Now I don't have to spend a bunch of money if I want to use one of these for any kind of weird rogue deck. Now that Yada's back off the ban list. This is cool. Like, when I was a kid, I always wanted to own a Yada. I never owned a Yada. That card used to make me so mad. They would Yada lock me back in the day. Sword Oracle. Here's her again. More Skyscraper stuff right there. Let's go to the next pack. My floor is getting a pile of stuff. Alright. Number 93 Utopia. I wonder if there's cards in a set that'll be worth money. If there's anything short print, maybe. I wonder. I have to look up again and see. Unless everything in here just kind of made the market kind of crash and tank. Because it'd be so easy to get a lot of these reprints now. The Iris Sorzel. Ancient Vanguard. DD Savant Keeper. Sword Soul. Ducky. Dang. We've got lots of packs. Lots of packs to go. Just give me a third Lightning Storm. That's all I'm asking for, honestly. Give me another Yada. Blue Eyes Abyss Dragon. Oh, well, I might get a playset of those as well. That'd be awesome. Play another Blue Eyes deck. Shadow Impersonating Mirror again. Another Sword Soul Sinister again. Synchro. Man, dude, I can build a Sword Soul deck probably. Look at all this Sword Soul stuff. I'm liking that. Bow the Goddess. Draco back the Ride Blade Dragon. Or Rideable Dragon. I don't know why I said Ride Blade. That's cool. Ooh, look at this Dark Soul token. That is a pretty cool token. And it's a little zombie token too. I love it. Lightning Storm again. Look at this. Now I got 3 Lightning Storms. This is awesome. Exchange of Despair and Hope. Dark Calling. I think this was an old school card too. Or was it? No, I don't think it was. I can't remember. It just looks so familiar to me, the picture. Comment down if I'm wrong or right. It's been so long since I've really been playing like Yu-Gi-Oh! I don't get time to play all the time and get used to a lot of the cards these days because I work a lot, so it kind of makes it hard to play consistently. Trying to still kind of get a little bit better and get back up to speed, improve my skills. Been playing at locals off and on. Here we go, that 93 Utopia again. Another token. The next pack. And I kind of went ham. You only get like 4 packs per box. Oh, here we go. Incredible Ecclesia, the Virtuous. That's nice to have. Man. What's funny is I thought the set was going to come out in like December or end of December, but apparently they released it a little bit early. There's another set coming up. I can't remember the name of it. It's going to be in January. Oh, Boral Sword Dragon. I think, yeah, this is a fairly popular card if I remember. Fairly good card. I'm glad I got this. I'm going to have to read it and kind of gloss over and see how I can use it in something. Surgical Striker. Doom Dozer. That's an ugly centipede-looking creature. Sword Soul Strategist. Long Yuan. You can tell English was not my strong subject in school, because I can't read. Okay, Sword Soul. Again, some more Sword Soul stuff. Kind of pulling a lot of the same stuff. You can tell what stuff is short printed and what stuff really isn't short printed. I'm surprised we're making pretty good time. We still do got quite a bit of packs left right here. Ooh, look at this. Nether Soul Dragon. That's a pretty cool looking little dragon card. 3000 attack. Fusion. You know, we don't have another Millennium Eyes Restrict, which is kind of interesting. Ooh, Foolish Return. That's be useful. Target one card in your opponent's graveyard, shuffle it back in the deck. It stops graveyard effects. Oh, this is kind of like Called by the Grave, but like not as like strong. It keeps graveyard effects at bay, I would assume. Dude, I want another Millennium Eyes Restrict. That's a cool card to have. I just love that card. It just looks so awesome. Sky Striker Ace. Magician Rest Edge. Rest Age, or however you say it. Witchcrafter again. Cat Shark. Another Blue Eyes card. Dang. Ooh, this dragon card again. The dragon zombie. Dragon made stuff. Man, dude, we've gone through a lot of packs. I noticed Lightning Storm isn't super short print, but it still is kind of short print. Millennium Eyes Restrict, I could tell, is probably almost impossible to get in this set if you just get like a few boxes. Because I'm not pulling a lot of him. I've only pulled one, which is crazy. Oh, look at this. Blackluster Soldier. Soldier of Chaos. This is freaking cool. Look at this. I like this card. I like this. I'm happy about this pull. I haven't got one of these. Sky Striker Mobilize. And Non-Fusion Arena. Neither player can fusion summon. That is quite interesting. This would... Man, to side this in to somebody... Like, imagine siding this in for against a Dynamorphia player. They would be completely... screwed over unless they had like spell trap removal. Chaos Hunter. Yeah, if I play against Dynamorphia, I guess I'll play that Fusion Negate card. That's kind of evil. Uh-oh, we kind of had a mishap, but you don't see it on camera. Beautiful. It's like Beautiful Princess. It's like tuna. Cat Shark. Again, kind of fits the theme of the last card we just pulled. Apollo, Bow of the Goddess. Witchcrafter, Confusion Confession. Savant Keeper again. Oh, Anti-Spell Fragrance. I'm glad I got another one of these. You can go get a Tactical Masters too. And also, now I got 2 of them. But now I have an ultra rare version, which is awesome. Now I can tell this is pretty short print as well, because I haven't pulled one of these yet. Whoa, neither of this. Metal Reflect Slime. That's pretty cool. It's like a little token card, it seems like. That is pretty interesting. I'm pulling some very, like, eclectic type of cards out of here. They're kind of different. I like this. Another Incredible Ecclesia. She seems short print as well. Witchcrafter. Vice. Madame. Another one of these little tuna things. No Sky Striker spell card. Wow, you almost build a freaking Sky Striker deck out of these. Look at these. Like, there is some short print cards in this set. And I literally got 2 displays. And I'm not seeing another Millennium Rise Restrict. Ah, Imperm. Now this is short print too. Nice staple. Wow, you know what's funny? I don't own any Imperms. I thought about buying them and never got around to it. Alaron. Another non-fusion arena. Now I can have a couple of these. And I'm going to start siding these in case you got to play against a fusion heavy player. Vampire Curse. Ooh. He looks kind of cool. Vampire card. Another Exchange of the Spirit. We've only got 4 more packs to go, which is equivalent to 1 box. Ice Dragon's Prison. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty cool. Let's pull this. Gravekeeper's Trap. Another card we have not pulled yet. What is this? Another Sword Soul Strife. Hey, Nightmare Phoenix. That's like a staple link right there. A Hero Lives. Ooh. Okay, Elemental Hero stuff. I'm glad I pulled that Phoenix. It'll be useful. Man, I got a lot of stuff in here, dude, that's useful. Well, luckily we haven't pulled really any kind of defect cards at all. Maybe like 1. No biggie. It's not like it's $1 million. Sky Striker Ace Token. Ooh, okay, let's pull these. Let's see what. Ooh, what's this? Skeletal Miyashaki. Look at that artwork. That's wicked looking. I like that. 3,300 attack. Interesting. It looks pretty awesome. We're down to the last 2 packs, guys. Eh. Oh, open, yeah. Oh, Yu-Gi-Oh, yeah, open. God dang it. Yeah. Get you. It's like trying to unwrap security packaging or something. Alright, Sword Soul of Moyi. Moyi. This is the most ridiculously named card ever, and it's like, I don't know, it kind of has an annoying look to it. Like I want to rip it in half. Alright, no, I won't do that. Okay, we are down to our last pack. Let's slap it for good luck. And open it up and see what we get. Let's see if we get something that we barely have any of, or something we don't have yet. And the first card is Change of Heart. Awesome. Hey, this is short print too. We just went through all those packs, and literally this is the only second Change of Heart that we pulled. So it seems it's not very easy to pull out of here. Considering the fact this is an old school card that no one really plays anymore. I mean, it's not as good as it used to be. That's why it's unbanned. Limited to 1. Alright. Instant Fusion. Happy. Hey, dude, it's funny. I just bought one of these, but I'm glad I did because now I got 2 of them, even though they're limited to 1, which is kind of sad, but it's still kind of cool because, you know, it's weird because it's short print here because we haven't pulled 1 instant fusion until just right now. Interesting. All right, guys. Wow. Tell me what card you were trying to find in this set to specifically get. I'm happy about getting the Millennium's Eyes Restrict out of here. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, yeah. It's not a oh, yeah. It's a whoa, yeah. See if we can pull them. There we go. That's the card I'm happy about. That and Yada. That and Yada are pretty much the cards that I'm pretty stoked that I got. Let's see if I can find them in here. And also, Harpy's Feather Duster seems to kind of be a short print in here, too, as well. I wouldn't really call a short print. I mean, a lot of these cards you have to buy a lot of just to kind of get the card that you're looking for. But it seems like Lightning Storm was pretty easy to get, which is pretty nice, which I'm sure a lot of people appreciate the fact that Lightning Storm's kind of an easier pull in the set, because I know a lot of people were wanting it from the new Megatins, and it was so hard to get. I got a whole case of the Megatins, the 2022 Megatins, and I didn't pull a single Lightning Storm. I still don't own a Lightning Storm from this, and I actually bought a lot of these and still don't have one. I know people at my locals that were trying to pull them, never pulled them. There was like one guy that pulled a Lightning Storm, and that's about it. But I'm happy about these cards here. This Millennium's Eyes Restrict is just so wicked. I just love this card, just the way it looks. I just want to play it just because of what it is. I'm going to be building a Last Word from Another Planet deck as well, which will be pretty interesting as well. Okay, I ordered the Last Word from the other planet, and, you know, here's our sleeves for different designs. If you want to look at them again to see what you're going to get or what you would be expecting. This is pretty much all of what you'll be getting. Probably not all, but, you know, most of what you'll be getting. And now I have plenty of sleeves. Wow. I can build as many decks as I want. I get the Horde sleeves. All the protection I need. Make sure. Never duel without using the proper protection, kids, or else you might have a problem. You might have a damaged Dictator of D, if you know what I mean. Or Lord of D, he might be damaged too. You don't want to damage them. Use protection. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Yu-Gi-Oh! Yeah! And have another nice day. And thanks for watching. And make sure to subscribe, because I might have other giveaways in the future. I'll let you guys know in the next upcoming videos. Peace out.